Ever wondered how tomatoes go from farm to table? Join us as we explore the entire production process in a large factory setting. The journey of a tomato begins with selecting the right varieties. Experts meticulously analyze different traits such as size, taste, color, and disease resistance. This selection process ensures that only the best seeds are chosen for planting. The chosen seeds promise a high-quality yield, forming the foundation for a successful harvest. By selecting optimal varieties, farmers can cultivate tomatoes that meet the rigorous standards of both consumers and food manufacturers. Once the perfect seeds are selected, they are planted in carefully prepared fields. The soil is tilled and enriched with necessary nutrients to create an ideal growing environment. Rows are precisely spaced, and seeds are sown at the correct depth to promote healthy growth. Modern farming equipment ensures consistency and efficiency in planting. This meticulous preparation helps the plants to establish strong roots and grow robustly. Water and nutrients are crucial for healthy tomato plants. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to deliver water directly to the roots, ensuring efficient water use and promoting strong growth. Fertilizers are added to the soil at different stages of growth to provide essential nutrients. This combination of irrigation and fertilization supports the development of healthy, productive plants. Regular monitoring ensures that the plants receive the right amount of water and nutrients throughout their growth cycle. Protecting tomato plants from pests and diseases is vital for a successful harvest. Integrated pest management combines biological controls, such as beneficial insects, with minimal use of pesticides. This approach helps maintain the health of the plants while minimizing environmental impact. Regular monitoring and early detection are key components of pest control, ensuring that any issues are addressed promptly. By using sustainable practices, farmers can protect their crops and the surrounding ecosystem. Tomatoes have a specific growing season, and timing plays a crucial role in the production process. Farmers carefully monitor weather patterns and plant development to determine the best times for planting and harvesting. Proper timing ensures that tomatoes reach their peak ripeness, maximizing flavor and quality. This attention to detail helps farmers produce a consistent and high-quality crop each season. By aligning planting and harvesting schedules with natural growth cycles, they optimize the yield and quality of the tomatoes. When tomatoes reach peak ripeness, they are carefully handpicked by skilled workers. This meticulous method ensures that only the best tomatoes are selected, minimizing damage to the fruit. Each tomato is gently placed into bins, ensuring it remains intact and unblemished. Handpicking allows for a precise selection process, with workers evaluating each tomato for quality and ripeness. This attention to detail ensures that only high-quality tomatoes move forward in the production line. By handpicking the fruit, workers help preserve its freshness and taste, maintaining the integrity of the tomatoes as they are transported to the factory for further processing. This careful handling is crucial for producing superior tomato products that meet the high standards expected by consumers. The journey from farm to factory begins with transporting the freshly picked tomatoes. They are loaded onto trucks and taken to the processing facility quickly to maintain their freshness and quality. This step is critical in ensuring that the tomatoes arrive at the factory in peak condition. Proper handling during transportation minimizes bruising and damage, preserving the quality of the tomatoes for processing. Efficient logistics are key to maintaining the integrity of the product from the field to the factory. Upon arrival at the factory, the tomatoes undergo a comprehensive cleaning process to ensure they are free from dirt, debris, and any residual chemicals. Large tanks filled with water and gentle brushes are used to wash the tomatoes thoroughly. This step is vital for ensuring that the tomatoes are clean and safe for further processing. Advanced washing systems are equipped with filtration and recycling capabilities to maintain water quality and reduce waste. Quality control measures are implemented at this stage to guarantee that only the best tomatoes proceed to the next step. Clean tomatoes are essential for producing high-quality products, as they set the standard for the entire production process and ensure consumer safety and satisfaction. After cleaning, the tomatoes are sorted by size, ripeness, and quality using advanced automated sorting machines. These machines are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that can detect even the smallest defects. The sorting process is designed to ensure consistency and accuracy, with tomatoes being categorized into different grades. This detailed sorting guarantees that only the best tomatoes move forward in the production line. By sorting the tomatoes meticulously, the factory ensures that each batch of products is made from tomatoes of similar quality, which is crucial for producing consistent and high-quality tomato products. The sorted tomatoes are then ready for the next stage of processing, where they will be transformed into various tomato-based products. In the processing stage, the sorted tomatoes are transformed into a variety of products such as sauces, pastes, and canned tomatoes. Depending on the final product, the tomatoes may be peeled, chopped, pureed, and cooked. Advanced machinery ensures that each step of the process is carried out efficiently and precisely. Quality control measures are in place throughout the processing stage to ensure that the final products meet the highest standards. This stage involves careful monitoring of temperatures, cooking times, and ingredient ratios to preserve the natural flavor and nutritional value of the tomatoes. Processing turns fresh tomatoes into versatile ingredients that can be used in countless recipes, providing consumers with convenient and delicious tomato products. Once processed, the tomato products are ready for packaging. They are filled into jars, cans, or pouches using automated systems designed to protect the product and maintain its quality. Packaging is crucial for preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of the tomato products. Properly sealed packages prevent contamination and spoilage, ensuring that consumers receive a high-quality product. Efficient packaging systems also help to streamline distribution, getting products to market quickly and safely. Maintaining the freshness of tomato products is a top priority. Temperature-controlled storage and transportation are essential to prevent spoilage. Quality control measures at every stage of production ensure that the tomatoes remain fresh and flavorful. From the moment they are picked to the time they reach consumers, every step is taken to preserve the integrity of the product. This commitment to freshness ensures that consumers enjoy the best possible taste and quality. The final step in the journey is getting the tomato products to consumers. Efficient distribution networks ensure that products reach stores quickly and in excellent condition. Retailers play a crucial role in maintaining the quality of the products by providing proper storage and handling. Consumers can then enjoy fresh and flavorful tomato products, confident in the quality and care that went into their production. From farm to table, every step is designed to deliver the best possible product. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from farm to your table. If you want to explore more exciting stories, check out our next video on how pickles are processed in factory settings.